Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a creamy, comforting roasted cauliflower soup, a perfect dish for chilly evenings. This recipe is simple, packed with flavor and perfect for warming up. Let's get started.
First, we'll start with a large head of cauliflower. Remove the leaves and cut it into florets. Don't worry about making them perfect, they'll roast beautifully.
Now spread the cauliflower florets on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and your choice of spices. I'm using garlic powder for extra flavor. Toss everything together so the cauliflower is nicely coated. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, or until the cauliflower is golden and tender. You want that caramelized flavor to really come through. While the cauliflower is roasting, let's prepare the base of our soup. In a large pot, heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add a chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it softens. Next, add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute until fragrant. This is where all the savory goodness begins. Once your cauliflower is nice and roasted, add it to the pot with the onions and garlic. You can already smell how delicious this is going to be. Now, pour in about 4 cups of vegetable broth. You can also use chicken broth if you prefer. Stir everything together, bring it to a simmer, and cook for another 10 minutes to let the flavors meld. Once your soup has simmered, it's time to blend. I'm using an immersion blender, but you can also carefully transfer the soup in batches to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. For a little extra richness, I'm adding a splash of heavy cream or coconut milk. Stir it in and let it heat through. Serve hot with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, or even some toasted nuts for crunch. And there you have it, a creamy, velvety, roasted cauliflower soup that's as delicious as it is healthy. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. This roasted cauliflower soup is sure to be a hit. If you try it, be sure to share your results with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.